of us. Making my way back home, been a long day, time to see my fluffy dog. Right there. No.
Just wants to be belly rub. It was a big yawn. He is so affectionate.
You're my honey bun, sugar plum, pumpkin. You're my sweetie pie. You're my cupcake, gumdrop, snickums, spickums. You're the apple of my eye, and I love you so, and I will.
Here we go. Not gonna mess this up. Not gonna mess this up. Here we go. Ready? Hi.
Hi, Max. And Shadow. And Mowgli. And Riley.
If you like my puppy and you think he's really neat, you should like this video so he gets another treat. I think he's really cute, and I bet that you do too. If you like my puppy.
Freddie, what are you doing?
No! Freddie! No! 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 Back off! Go!
Is that your mom? I think I see her. I think I see her, Hermes. She's coming. Don't worry, she's coming.
So apparently the people on TikTok like this. You walk in, and boom, puppy. And now, we're TikTok famous.
The wonderful thing about tickets is tickets are wonderful things. The tops are made out of rubber, the bottoms are made out of springs. They're bouncy, trouncy, flouncy, pouncy, fun. But the most wonderful thing about tickets is I'm the only one. Easy. Catch.
See, man? Don't mess him up. Oh my gosh. You laugh. Who's that?
Annie has just learned how to growl and bark. She's just playing around, but it's crazy.
I love you.
Hey, Mary! Mary!
It's funny, Ben and I were talking about Gus and Casey. And
can we see? Let's see.
¡Ganamos, mono! ¡Gol! ¡Gol, mono! ¡Si se puede, mono! ¡Gol!
Today, regardless of the President's State of the Union's theme of unity on this issue, he's clearly not seeking common ground. Take a listen. Let's release the
Bear! What are you doing? Hi! What are you doing? What are you doing? Wesley?
Is he realizing it's that stupid? Frozen.
And sunny next month, reaching a top of 38 degrees. And for our final
Guys, there's like 3 more shoelaces here, you honestly.
I don't want this.
Ow! Oh, God.
Ксюша, мой посуд.
That's
有你，什么？
你别笑。做一个专业的演员吧。
So that we'd have an even number. You said you got it, Toots.
Yeah, I meant it like you got it, Toots. Like you got that certain something.
So there's still one egg we haven't found. It could be mine. The mission isn't over. I could still win.
Katie, do your crunches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now take off running.
Here! We won that, so this year I see that I got sent yesterday, you know, we got a raffle, you know, you gotta come and
good job, boy.
Sitting on the roof of the Crestwood.
Non, c'est de l'étamine. D'abord, on va en train de mettre des protéines sur le dos du chien pour que la poule monte sur le lit. Du coup, la poule,
No. You get out.
Put your hand in mine. You know that I won't stop until I...
Are you ready? Get your both hands ready. Oh!
Yeah!
Don't move.
Hi, Max! Hi! Oh my god! Hi!
So adorable.
Come on, get on. Come.
Oh my gosh.
Good girl. No, put your foot down. Good girl.
See you later. Oh my gosh.
Good girl. Come on. Good girl, come on.
Oh, this is the
Stop.
Oh my gosh.
It's the same principle as the other one. You have to balance it and go forward and back.
Oh, and the dog is doing that. Like, she's go back. She's like, hold on. Yes. Oh my god. It's killing me.
동물보라를 일으켜 다다다다다다다다
Oh god.
Leave that down.
Starts to happen.
Hey, yo, Winston. People want some bars, homie. I'll start you off, alright? Ooh.
boy.
Oh! Oh wait, you got to be.
This is Henry. This is Leo.
Who wants a treat? Sir? Sir? Wait. Very good. One ring? Good job. One ring. Sir. Sir. Oh my goodness.
Hey, my baby.
Hey, my mommy. Hey, mama.
That's you.
That's you, mommy.
What?
Ay, estrella! Mamá la perra.
You can do it. Come on. You can do it. Come on. Come on. You're the biggest puppy and everyone else has made it out. Come on. Come on.
People are like, go on, prove it. Prove that your thought will watch this. Worthy of the hammer.
When you're supposed to watch for problems.
What a tease.
이거 구워 밥을 먹고 그지. 맛에 맞춰도 하네.
吃啥？
Que linda! Ai, que fofo!
那你再抓一个大的。你先吃这个手的，然后我们再抓一个，再抓个小的。快！我嘴上擦了哦，哟。
That's why I love Nestle Crunch.
It's the final brain cell.
That's why I love Nestle Crunch.
Come here.
No, my bad.
In this house, there's some chores in this house. 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 Certified dad, 7 days a week. If you don't clean this house up, you gonna be 6 feet deep.
Talented, brilliant, incredible, amazing, show-stopping, spectacular, never the same, totally unique, completely not ever been done.
That's just my baby dog. That's just my baby dog. That's just my baby dog.
Hey, somebody come get her. She dancing like a stripper. Somebody come get her.
Oh, hello. Hello. Hello.
Somebody call 999. We've got a cutie bomb on our hands. Oh, did you just live? Well done.
Oh, hi there, friend. It's me, your human. I take care of yous, 'cause you're a little baby. Let me give you your boops. Boop. That's right. Boop.
Oh my God, Tony. Tony, watch out. Don't move.
When I wake up in the morning, touch his little flooster, see his little mittens, give his nose a boopster.
Leo.
Hello, baby.
I like the view.
You do?
Yes.
You're my best view.
Me.
That's just my baby dog. That's just my baby dog. That's just my baby dog.
If you're hungry and you know it, say, oh. If you're hungry and you know it, say, oh. If you're hungry and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're hungry and you know it, say, oh.
Pull? Pull?
You know you just lay around in bed all day? You don't even do anything. Why don't you go outside and play with a ball? So you just sit around getting fat. Huh?
Hello? Hello! Are you a dog? Yes! I am also a dog.
All right!
Yeah!
We're dogs!
Yeah, we're dogs.
We're dogs that live near each other!
Hey, are you guys dogs?
Yeah! We're totally dogs!
Yeah, both of us.
You are my best friend. We will go for walkies, and we will go on a picnic, and we will have so much fun forever and ever and ever. Stop.
You're my honey bun, sugar plum, pumpkin. You're my sweetie pie. You're my cupcake gumdrop, snickums, spickums. You're the apple of my eye, and I love you so, and I will.
Making my way back home, been a long day, time to see my fluffy dog. Scoo-doo-doo. Right there. No. If you like my puppy and you think he's really neat, you should like this video so he gets another treat. I think he's really cute, and I bet that you do too. If you like my puppy.
Hi, Max. And Shadow. And Mowgli. And Riley.
Here we go. Not gonna mess this up. Not gonna mess this up. Here we go. Ready? Hi.
Just wants a wee belly rub. It was a big yawn. He is so affectionate.
Dear Diary, after 1,562 days of begging my dearest human not to leave, not to ever leave, he has finally listened. Most of my days now spent staring at him, or following behind him at the distance of 1.5 feet, lest he ever fall. It is truly heaven, and I pray it will stay like this forever.
Yes, I know there's chickens.
Ready? One, two, three.
You holding your poodle? Oh, he cleans you. Just eat him?
Hi. Stretch. Come on. Come on. Question for you. Did you want to race me? 1, 2, 3. Go, 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 go. Biscuit.
What are you doing?
Looks like you've got yourself in a little bit of a situation.
How long
it?
you been stuck up there, Pupster?
Yeah.
You can't get down, can
You
you?
little heathen. Yeah, you look all happy. Somebody's gonna get me down now, right?
She's hoping we'll come take her down.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be.
Oh, good morning. Hey. Oh, hey there. Hey. Hey. Hey, good morning. Hey.
Want to get your puppy to drop anything? Take a cool treat. Put it in your hand. Close your hand. Say drop, open your hand, and let your dog eat the treat. Arrow, drop. Now when your puppy has something cool, all you have to do is say arrow, drop, yes. And then give him a treat.
I love you. I love you so much. You're the cutest dog in the whole wide world. You are. It's you. I mean it.
Oh my God! Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm.
What's the
Everybody
procedure,
stay calm.
everyone? What's the procedure?
Stay calm!
Wait.
Everybody calm down!
Bad dog.
Excuse me, miss. Excuse me. Hey, excuse me. Can you stop being so cute?
Really, Ghost? Really? Do you not know who that is?
What the hell is quarantine mode? What does this do? Oh, dang. Okay.
Sammy, are you really that mad at me? Huh? Are you that mad at me? Because I won't let you go on the counter?
Do not take the burger.
What's in your mouth?
Did you eat the damn burger?
She's poor Charlie. Well, aren't you just the cutest little thing? Hi, Pumpkin. Hi.
Does anybody have any questions? Does anybody? Oh yeah, smart. You.
Hi. Oh, you were so pretty. I love you so much.
Hello.
Hello, we're twins. We're twins. Yes, sir. I am me. She is she. Except when I pretend I'm her. And when we switch, you Can't tell which is which.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for coming to the meeting. This meeting is going to be about all the barking that has been going on today, even though there has been nothing to bark at. So,
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished. I see.
oh, are you so handsome? Oh, handsome boy. Smile.
No. No.
You are my best friend, my only best friend. You make me happy, best friend. And guys are best friend. You'll never know your best friend, how much I love your best friend. 김난중, 김석지, 민유기, 정호서, 박지민, 김.
Your turn.
Hey, dude, did I wake you up from a nap, man? Hey, sit. Sit.
Buddy, let's go.
Don't go.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious.
The wonderful thing about tickets is tickets are wonderful things. The tops are made out of rubber, the bottoms are made out of springs. They're bouncy, trouncy, flouncy, pouncy, fun. But the most wonderful thing about tickets is I'm the only one.
Please don't be ugly. Please don't be ugly. Please. Please. Oh my god!
Ow.
This is my dog Duck. About 10 times a day I'm forced to come over here because he's dropped his ball. And he just stands. He just stands until somebody gets it for him. Jesus.
You found the mouse? It's up here! Where? What's Hammy doing up there?
Dad! It's down there! Help! It's scary, Dad!
Okay, what, this? Hamilton, this is just a green gummy bear.
Squeaks!
If you're happy and you know it, do a spin. If you're happy and you know it, do a spin. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, do a spin.
Is that your mom? I think I see her. I think I see her, Hermes. She's coming. Don't worry, she's coming.
Freddie, what are you doing?
So apparently the people on TikTok like this. You walk in, and boom, puppy. And now, we're TikTok famous.
No! Freddie! No! 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 Back off! Go!
They have a test, but they need the reagents to do a higher volume of tests. When you go back to the manufacturer and say, why don't you decide? What do you want? What do you
You guys have to see this stick. My big German Shepherd wants me to throw. Hold on. Wait. This big dog, literally wants me to throw this stick is what he keeps bringing back. Go get it.
There seems to be some extra commotion in here. Looks like someone escaped. How'd you do that? Oh!
Come on, Kenny. Come. Come on, Kenny. Kenny, come. Are you saying hi to Maggie? Good girl.
This fool dragged all of my shoes into the living room and fell asleep on one of them because he's tired from all the shoe carry.
It's not bedtime. It's too early.
So whose lipstick is that?
Mine.
You bought it?
Yeah.
Where'd you buy it at?
Yeah. My lipstick?
Yeah.
I buy it from Home Depot.
Awesome.
Don't scroll. Hang on. I have one question. Will you be my friend?
Look at my happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Oh, just a look at that, the happy dog. Oh, just a happy.
Sophie, I'm gonna take it.
Hey, Sophie, I'm just gonna...
Sophie, look. Hi. I'm gonna take it.
Okay. Hey, Sophie, can I just,
If you keep... I'm calling Dad. I'm calling him. Guess what Gary is doing? He's being so bad. Ow! I'm calling him. I can't believe it.
Qui c'est du fil?
So I found this old video of Bernard, and I cannot believe I didn't post it, you guys, because he basically gives me a high five. Right there!
Good girl.
Frank, where are you? What are you doing, Frank?
show me serious? Thank you. How about happy? Grumpy.
Hello? Hello! Are you a dog? Yes! I am also a dog.
All right!
Yeah!
We're dogs!
Yeah, we're dogs.
We're dogs that live near each other!
Hey, are you guys dogs? Yeah!
Okay, wait.
Can you just not stalk me right now? Like, this is just not what I need in my life. I have a coffee. If you knock this over, I swear, Steven, don't.
You want to go for a walk?
It was not.
Yep.
Yep, well.
Damn it.
Mama!
You're beautiful. You're beautiful. It's true.
Ben. True. I have an important question to ask you. I have a really important question. Can you look at me for a second? Are you my best friend? Are you my best friend? Do you?
Sonny, come.
Sit. Good job.
Leave it. Leave it. Ow!
Lay down. Lay down. Roll over. You didn't do it. Roll over. You still didn't do it. Roll over. No. Roll over.
You want to go see the bunny? You want to go see the bunny? Let's go see the bunny. Go see the bunny.
Let's go see the bunny.
Rocky, what are you doing up there? Mum, Rocky's on the table again. He won't get down. Get down before I call Mum. I'll call Mum.
Rocky, what are you doing on the table? Get down. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Come here, Coop. Come on. Come here, Cooper. Come here. You have to start for, no, he doesn't do that yet. Come here, Coop. Come here, Cooper. Come on. Come on. Now you got it. You get it. Cooper, come on. Come here, Coops. Come on, buddy. Come on, Coop. Cooper, come. Come on, Coops. Come on, Coops. He's good now. Cooper, come. Good boy. Good boy, Coops. Yay for Cooper.
Yes!
Please tell me you're getting
Yes!
that.
That is awesome! Oh my gosh. Good boy!
You guys want to go for a walk? But first we got to get a bath. Let's get a bath, guys. We got to take a bath first. And then we go for a walk. But first a bath, though. We got to get a bath. Bath first. Yep. But hey, wait. We can go for a walk after the bath. You want to go for a walk? All right, but bath, we got to do a bath first. Let's get a bath. Come on, let's get a bath. Come on. Rocky bath. Let's go.
You have to drop your blanket. Winnie. You can't do that. Winnie, you can't do that. What?
B, the bus is here.
Run.
What the fuck is this? What is this? Anyways. Oh. Is this real? Is this real?
No huskies in Saskatchewan, hey?
Found one. Is this real?